offer. Customer, ukisikia nimesema jina offer, you should be running to our shop because we have this crazy offer for this blender ya RAF. It's a 2-in-1 going for only 2,500 Kenyan shillings. Inakaa hivi on the inside. Inakuja na the following, inakuja na this stainless steel jug blender. Hii hata ugongeshe aje haiwezi break ama I slip off senye unaosha jama sabuni, it can never break. As you can see, it also has 6 stainless steel blades on the inside. Alafu inakuja na this glass grinder hapa. Hii ndo kifuniko yake hivyo, and this is the motor. It is 1000 watts. That's how powerful it is. It is very easy to use and very easy to clean. Nimesema tena ni pesa ngapi? 2500. Kimbia ununue hii blender kabla iishe ama go out of stock. You can shop it on our website. You go by www.atenzahomappliances.co.ke, or you can visit our physical store located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.